How do you guys not know how to burp on command? If I do it too much, I literally make myself sick. I'm too classy to know. I know, I'm like, this is gonna be like my most classy YouTube. Hold on. Let me just make this YouTube appropriate. This is gonna be like my most awesome YouTube video ever. If I drink lots of beer, it's easy. You just suck in air and let it out. 3 out of 10. I didn't know I was gonna be judged on the numbers here. 5 out of 10. Oh god. Nice. I think the more I do it, the more it's like they can get. Wow, I cannot believe I'm actually doing this. Gross and awesome at the same time. Next one for points, try to speak. Close one. Yeah, I could just go like, oh my god. I can actually go like in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, and do it like non-stop. Thanks, Blue. Gross and awesome at the same time. Oh my god. I'm actually really surprised. I guess I've never addressed a room full of men and said, can you guys all burp on command? I just thought everybody could do that. Wow.